Bullish Dogecoin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 76 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Doge could reach 35 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2022 is 6 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer thought of the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke in light of the then uncontrolled digital currency hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Regardless of being snide, certain individuals view it as a suitable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's seal and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its internet-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It presently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the head association. If it's not too much trouble, note that the expectations recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation exhortation. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin speculations. Anyway, we should jump into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Shared, open-source cryptographic money. Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective money and an amusing image coin. A delineation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. In spite of the fact that it was at first imagined as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in fame. At the point when the digital money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost a lot of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On internet-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Moreover, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the complete number of coins that might be given, digital forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary, yet Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into dissemination as mining rewards is divided at regular intervals, and until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin specialized investigation. Generally, the pattern for Dogecoin stays in a downtrend. However, momentary energy moves persistently vertically, and the cost for the coin recuperates rapidly when it goes descending. Price. The cost dropped in a channel down pattern for quite a while. At the point when the cost swings inside the channel trend lines, dealers who accept the cost is probably going to remain inside the channel can put exchanges. At the point when an example is finished, place an exchange when the cost crosses the upper or lower pattern lines of the channel. At the point when this happens, the cost might flood in the breakouts heading. Trend. All time periods are on a descending pattern for this coin for quite a long time. The MACD line. When the coin is over the MACD signal line, the RSI stays under 50 and force is blended. The volume on up days is greater than the volume on down days, as shown by the rising OBV marker. Subsequently, request offset supply. Dogecoin essential examination. It's memorables basic that dissimilar to on account of the financial exchange. Most cryptographic forms of money are projects instead of enterprises. In this way, you can assess regardless of whether a digital currency is worth the effort by leading a suitable major examination and taking into account all the data accessible about the undertaking. Principal examination is worried about deciding a resource's inborn worth. For instance, you can decide whether a digital currency is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different inside and outside components. For Dogecoin, there are various incentives. The way that it isn't covered makes the incentive increment. The benefits of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is currently no rush toward and claimed hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Subsequently, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system development, despite the fact that its commencement was set apart by specialists and content makers tipping each other. It has developed into a completely utilitarian cash that can be utilized for ordinary uses. To keep up with the usefulness of the environment, more Dogecoin can undoubtedly be procured. Dogecoin utilization is anticipated to extend by over 5% every year, which will build the money's worth. Dogecoin current cost. Dogecoin is right now worth 7 cents USD. Doge has moved 0.04% as of now with an exchanging volume of $217,659,406. Dogecoin is right now positioned 10 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $7,897,550,539 USD. Dogecoin value expectation 2022. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Doge cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 11 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 10 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 9 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 out of 2023. Dogecoin Doge cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 19 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 15 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 17 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 27 cents and Doge might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 24 cents and a low of 23 cents in 2024. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Dogecoin effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2025. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 35 cents, with a base cost of 31 cents and a typical cost of 32 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 40 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 38 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Doge has a most extreme value worth of 42 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 48 cents. On the off chance that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 50 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 46 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 54 cents and a yearly cost close above 58 cents in 2028. Dogecoin value forecast 2029. By 2029, Dogecoin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 62 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 66 cents, averaging out at 63 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations